Okay, in this lecture we are going to watch what is generator. Okay, if you didn't watch iterator video, just watch iterator because the concept of generator is based on iterator. Okay, first watch iterator, then watch generator function. Generator can be used for creating iterator. It is also called a subgroup of iterator. So it is based on a iterator process. Okay, the function if a function contain yield statement, then the function became generator. We can use generator as generator function and generator expression. Okay, so this is a basic small definition, a simple definition. We see how the generator work. Okay, first of all, here this is a regular function. This is a normal function, and this is a generator function. Okay, this is a normal function, this is a generator. Now I am going to pass my alpha value, that is equal to a comma b comma c. Okay, passing three values. Here a normal function def value which is passing an argument a. Here I am just returning the value a. Okay, here calling a function output equal to value of a. Here as same as def value passing an argument a. Here apart from return I am just using yield, because if a generator used yield, okay, yield a, output that is equal to value a. Okay, passing a value on a argument. So first of all, this is a normal function, this is a generator function. Here the value is returning, right? On the returning time, what will be my result? So my result will be output which hold the value of a, b and c. Okay, but here what generator will do means it will run the function, but it doesn't give any result. Okay, that will be a simple null value, means it's like a null value. Why means we are getting a specific value on list or any type of values. Okay, to process that we wanted to use op dot next function. By this call only you will get a result a. Okay, here returning a with all the element. Here while using an yield, it will give an a value. Okay, the yield will produce a value. Okay, here what is the sum of this means? It was return group of value. Here return multiple times. Okay, return multiple times. Here group of value, it was returning multiple time. Here you may ask why I just wanted to use generator function. Okay, if your data having 100,000 data stored in a value, if I return this value, what will the process means? It will take large time and the memory consumption will be higher because there are 100,000 data. But while using an yield statement, the 100,000 data, it will produce a single value. Okay, yield will have only one value. Okay, the first thing you need to know, it is lower memory consumption. Okay, then second thing is we can able to process large data, very large datas. Okay, process large datas. The third thing is we can use multiple yield statement. We can use multiple yield statement inside the function. So by calling a function, generator has been initialized using a function. How does the iterator initialize? Using class. Okay, so now you may have an oral difference between a normal function and generator function. Okay, at the time of running a function, normal function will return all the value, generator will be simply run. The yield will hold the key. By calling the next value only, it will produce the first element result. Okay, so it was returning a multiple time. Now you may ask, this is the iterator also do. Then what is the difference between iterator and generator? Okay, that is a good question. Here iterator and here generator. Okay, the iterator, we will use a keyword iter and next. Okay, we will use iter and next. Generator, we will use an yield statement. Here next method is used to get a value. Okay, next method is used to get a value, but here yield will get a next value. And here iterator is a class based iteration. Class based implementation. Here function based implement. Okay, and here the iterator, the memory consumption is lower, on generator is very lower. The memory consumption will be very lower comparing to an iterator. Okay, generator is a process based on iterator only. Okay, it is based on iterator process. You need to keep that on mind. Generator is based on iterator process. Generator is not completely different process. Okay, iterator will be implement using class. Generator is implement using a function. Class based implementation means it's little bit tougher than comparing to a generator. We can able to easily implement a generator function. Okay, so this is the difference between generator and iterator. Then third question, hey man, you are saying yield. What is the yield? What is the difference between normal return statement as well as yield statement? You need to say that. So for that, first of all, that is an array of value. Okay, I'm just continuously using array. In Python there is no array. Means there is an array, we need to import an array. So there is a list of value. Okay, first is a normal null box. So I'm just implementing normal null box. Then inside the values will be 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So here a variable old, here the variable old 6 values. Okay, first of all, on a normal return statement, what will do means it will return all the values. all the values at a time, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. It will return 6 value at a same time. But while I using an yield function, what will the function will have means the function will be pause. Okay, the function will be pause for the moment until it processes all the values. On return, the function will be completely finished at the time. After, on somewhere on the program, if you again call the function only, it will process, then end the process at a time of returning itself. But yield will process until it will have a lost value. The process of yield is simply different, means it is very simple. How means, whenever I am calling an yield statement in a function, it will run from the lastly produced result value element. Okay, it will not start from the first to start. It will give an result from where it stopped. Okay, then first of all I am running a function. What will do means, here this null box will be shown because I didn't use next function. Okay, by using next function only I could able to get a value of 1. Okay, if I again use next 2, here 3. Okay, then here I am just stopping a function, and here in between that I am just using another process. After that, if I again used an yield statement, means it will not start from 1. Okay, it will not start from 1. By that it will start from 4, then 5, then 6. Okay, so this is what yield. Okay, here I am just calling yield of x. Okay, here yield x. By calling this, my function will traverse here to here. Okay, the result will be 1. If I again called yield x, my function will traverse here to here. The result will be true. On each and every time I am using an yield function, it will produce a different value, means it will produce the next value on a list. Okay, so by using yield is faster because it was producing only one value at a time. Yield is faster and memory consumption will be low, consumption is low. Okay, on next call of yield, it will not start from first, it will generate from where it paused. We can use multiple yield in one generator function. So this is how the yield will work. Okay, so this is an normal this is large definition, I think so, because the generator is always a confusing, because the process of generator is based on iterator only. Okay. Now again coming to one definition, generator can be used for creating an iterator. It is also called a subgroup of iterator because it is based on iterator process. It is if a function contain yield statement, then the function became generator. We can use generator as a generator function and generator expression. So this generator expression I am just mentioned in comprehension video. What means generator expression is nothing but generator comprehension. Okay, so first we are going to watch generator function. For that, def hello is a function name. Here yield, here I'm just yielding hello world statement. OP, that is equal to hello function. Okay, first of all I'm just printing the type of OP. type of OP. Here terminal class. Okay, by class it will clear your command prompt. Python app.py. Okay, it is a class generator because it was containing a yield statement. If I change yield to return, it will show. So return statement, saving my file and running. Here you could see class string. Okay, so yield make the function as a generator function. Okay, now calling running my function print op. Okay, running my file. Here generator object hello at this object. Okay, here my generator function is run by putting an keyword next. It will produce the result. Okay, op.next hello world. Okay, now you have an idea how generator function work. Okay, generator working, def value 1, value here for x in range of 0 to 10, for x in range of 0 to 10. Here yield x. Okay, yield x. The function will be run by calling the function result equal to value function print result dot next function. I'm just calling multiple times. Okay, 3 times, saving my file and running 0 1 2. It was starting from 0. If I run multiple times, it will show up. I've just paused my value, right? Again, if I run, it will show from where it was paused. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, then using an while statement, def value 1 passing an argument x, a that is equal to 0, while a is greater than x, a is lesser than x, yield a plus equal to 1. Okay, result 1 equal to value pausing 6. Okay, pausing 6 here for x in value 1, for x in value 1, not value 1, result 1, because my value function output will be stored on result. Okay, result 1 generator while the result will be x. Okay, generator while the result will be x. Okay, value takes 0 position argument, but 1 is given. A value of a is x. So here my function name is value 1. Okay, now generator while will be 0 1 2 3 4 5. After that, value def value 2 is a function name which is in taking n argument, yield from n. Okay, here I'm just looping from a list. Okay, yield from n, alpha equal to a comma b comma C comma D comma E, 5 different values. Then result 2, that is equal to value 2 passing an argument alpha. Okay, for x in result 2, for x in result 2, print generator list will have the value x. Generator list will have the values of x. Here generator list A, B, C, D, E. Okay, I'm just looping through n. Okay, yielding from n. If I use an next option, it will give up the result one by one. Okay, I'm just saying we can able to use multiple yield on a generator function. Okay, def multiple yield is a function. Here print result 1, here assembling yield calling 1, result 1 calling 1, result 2 calling 2, result 3 calling 3. Okay, I'm just using 3 yield statement in a normal function. Okay, here result 2, that is equal to multiple yield function, then print result 2 dot underscore next function, saving my file and running result 1 and calling 1. Here these are all printing statement, right? By calling a first yield, it will print until the processed element. Okay, here print that is equal to result 1, then yielding value calling 1. If I again calling a next statement, it will give up the result 2 and calling 2. Okay, again result 3 calling 3. Here stop iteration. Okay, that's how you can able to use multiple iteration on single function. Okay, multiple yield statement, sorry. Now generator expression. Okay, generator expression is not a complex topic, it is a simple topic based on list comprehension. If that if the process is enclosed in parenthesis, then that is a generator expression. Okay, generator expression. Here comprehension. Okay, here comprehension. Here first is list comprehension. Value 1, that is equal to in a bracket x cross 5 for x in range of 0 to 11. For x in range to 0 to 11. Here print value 1 comma type of value 1 comma type of value 1, saving my file and running. So this is a class list and processed a list comprehension. Now as same like generator expression. For the generator expression, value 2, that is equal to parenthesis x cross 5 for x in range. So here x cross 4 for range of 0 to 11, then print value 2 comma type of value 2. Okay, running my file. So this is a generator object and class generator. Okay, if the thing is enclosed in a parenthesis, then that is a generator expression. Now looping a generator expression for x in value 2, print x, print x. So it was loop through my all the values. So coming to a generator, it can be used for creating an iterator. Okay, so this is a wrong import module. By calling this, you cannot get any result. By calling a next element only, you can get a value from yield statement. Okay, so this is what a generator function. Okay,